and I wish I would come again and again and again. I am a retired professor in physics from Case Western Reserve University, United States, and I am living in India also. And I am very much interested in yoga and meditation. With that in mind, I have come to this place. And I've been watching YouTube videos, and they were pretty nice, pretty comfortable. I felt the urge to go to this place, and I thought I would learn something, and that came true when I came here. I came here with the anticipation that I will be learning something about the yoga, about the meditation, about the pranayama, about some asanas, and I'm very much impressed. I appreciate the way has been helpful in guiding me, the yoga asanas. Then Manish ji, he was also very helpful. And then came the final person, Rakesh. He just made a summary of everything what we did, and he emphasized upon the pranayama to me, depending on my body type. I had been diagnosed by him with a pulse, by Guruji, Rakeshji also, that I have a Pitta type, and advised me about certain things about the food to avoid, food to take, and the things to do, and the asanas to do, and more pranayama to do. It's a life-changing experience for me, and I hope to follow it up in the regular course. And I wish I would come again and again and again, and I would, with more focus, more concentration, I would probably be a better versed yogi and a meditator. And I would love to come for more days with my wife also and me also. Thanks, millions of tributes to the people, to the souls here, everybody. I have done Pavan Muktasana, Agni Ras. I have done Bose posture. I've done. I don't basically. I'm trying to remember the names, but as far as I know, Makarasana. Then I've done some Pavan Muktasana. Yes, I told you Pavan Muktasana and different types of Makarasana. Then main emphasis I'm laying on pranayama at this time, plus these asanas, whichever I can do. Hopefully next time when I come, I'll learn more asanas. Yes, very good experience. Yoga Nidra is a different style, different thing. And Yoga Nidra has been a good experience for the tranquility of the mind, for the body and the soul. It gives an ultimate experience.